everybody, this video is inspired by Hope Giselle. I should say Hope Giselle Godseed, since she just got married. Congratulations, my love. She is an author and activist. She's beautiful. I knew I wanted to do her for a very long time, so I'm so glad that I finally got to her on my list. She, I saw this look on her and I was like, that's beautiful. I have to do that. And it's actually one that she does quite frequently. So I was like, definitely doing that with the blue under the eye. And I saw her with a straight, long, straight black hair moment. Then, just as I'm about to sit down and film this, I see she posts this. Now, girl, this is literally what I needed. This is what I wanted. This is exactly the inspiration that I was going for. I was going to amalgamate two to give straight, long black hair and the look into one look, but she did it for me. So I live. If you see this, Hope, I hope you know how much. If you see this, Hope, I hope you know how much we live for you. Thank you so much for your visibility and for being a trans icon. Have a great day, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Okay, we are starting out with the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer, and then we will be going in with the Louise Base to set the eyes, or I should say to prime the eyes. Now, the look is quite simple on the eyelid. The star of the show is on the lower lash line, so we will definitely do something more similar, or more, not similar, more simple on the top. We'll be using a neutral brown, which is Birch from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and a color that's a little bit lighter than my skin tone, which is the color Fresh from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, Sultry palette. And as you can see, we're just doing like a light wash of that Birch color all over the lid, and then we will be going ahead and just popping a tiny little amount of that Fresh color on the inner corner and a touch on the brow bone as well too. We want it to be like super effortless, like does she have makeup on her eye type shit, which obviously we do, but and just making sure that you blend that into the inner portion too. You don't want any like stark lines or anything. And then applying that Fresh color. And you are good to go. Now for the eyeliner, I'm using the e.l.f. H2O Proof Eyeliner Pen, and I will be not applying like a wing or anything. I will just be applying it on the lash line. Then I'll be using the Benefit They're Real Magnetic Mascara. And, I'm sorry, I'm using my lash curler. Then I am using the Benefit They're Real Magnetic Mascara. And then apply some lashes. These are like little natural ones for me. Then we're going to go into the skin, and we'll be using the I'll be using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and then I'll be using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer. For the primer, I'm just applying this all over the face. I like this primer. I find that it gives a nice slip to the skin, as well as make sure that there's no dry patches or anything like that. And I will be applying the concealer under my eyes, on my forehead, and touch on my chin, I believe. And that is just to neutralize the freckles. And then I'll be going ahead and applying the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Foundation which is definitely my fave foundation. Once that's applied all over the face, I'm going to go ahead and take a beauty sponge. This is the Real Techniques sponge. You can use Beauty Blender, whatever, just to bounce out any of the lines or anything like that from the finger application. Then I'm using the Makeup Revolution Ultra Cream Bronzer in the color Light. And this is just around the perimeter of my face, nothing too crazy. This is just to add some depth to my face so that it doesn't look like I'm wearing a mask, so to speak. And a little touch on the nose too to bring the color all together. Then I'm going to go ahead and use the P. Louise Coral Morals liquid blush. And I will be setting the face with the MAC Studio Fix powder. I'm using the white color here. I love a bright white under eye, so I will be going ahead and doing that. And then I'll set with just my regular skin color on the rest of my face. I think that's NW18 or NC18, I can't remember. It might even be NC15. I don't know. Honestly, I've switched up so much over the years, and I find if you're using like a substantial amount of bronzer and blush, highlight, things like that, you can pretty much get away with the range of a few colors, you know what I mean? Then I'll be setting it with the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder. And I will go ahead and dust that off and apply the Lottie London Suncatcher Sunkissed bronzer, just in the same places that I applied the liquid bronzer, or cream bronzer, I should say. After that, I will go ahead and apply the Lottie London Haze Ombre blush, and I will just be using that basically in the same spot that I used the liquid blush on. For under the eyes, I will be using the NYX Sapphire Eye Pencil, and then I'll be going ahead and blending that out with the P. Louise Worldie Palette, and I'll be using the color Sky High. And this is just to give this nice, beautiful pop of blue. I used to do this when I was younger. I honestly love it. I think I might get back into doing it. And I'm using the Lancome Acajou lip liner and the Chanel Script Rouge Coco Stylo. Definitely look at the description if you want to see what these are called, because I'm probably marking them. But anyway, love that Chanel lip color. It's so pretty. And for hair, it was super simple because I just did, like I said, a middle part straight black look and loved it. Oh, I did also spray my face with the Cream Shop and Hello Kitty Makeup Perfecting Mist and just used a little fan to dry that up. And then you are basically all good to go. If you already have the hairstyle, just straight middle part and you are set. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.